All right. We're going to be talking about the distributive property. The distributive. Okay, I don't know how to spell distributive. I think it's how you spell. The distributive property. The distributive property goes like this. Let's say you have equation 2 times parentheses 4 plus 5. What is this equal to? Well, let's add up what's inside the parentheses first. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, now we ask the distributive property goes like this. This equals 18. This is equivalent to saying this. 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5 equals 18. Now, first of all, is this true? Well, let's see. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so this would be 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18. So yes, it's true. And this is what the distributive property exactly all about. That's why it's called the distributive property, because the idea is that you take the 2 and you distribute it among these, what's in the parentheses. Among what is in the parentheses. And it makes sense because if you think about adding is just putting together 2 things. And if you multiply that, those 2 things that were put together already, you're multiplying their individual parts already. As in, if I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls, and then I would add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I would have multiplied this by 2. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same thing. I added here, and then I multiplied to get this. But if I just multiplied this, I would still get this. And then if I multiplied this, I would still get this. Because this final number is just the 2 parts added together. And then when you multiply that number, you're still multiplying those 2 parts because they're still there. Yes, together. Okay? So another example of the distributive property would be 3 times 10 minus 8. It works for subtraction too. We can rewrite this. Instead of doing this, we could do 3 times 10 minus 3 times 8. Let's do this one first. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. There you go. Now, 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. So, 30 minus 24. And that equals 6. 6. So that's how the distributive property works. That's how the distributive property works. You distribute the number you're going to multiply in the parentheses between the 2 numbers like this. Like this. You take off the parentheses and you distribute that number between the numbers in the parentheses. And you get the same number. Alright, say it's cool.